show you how to install a robe hook in your bathroom. So this is a very simple DIY project that you can do in just a couple of minutes if you got your tools all together. I would always start with reading your directions. I know men don't like to do this, but I do because it saves a lot of time. So it'll tell you what bit size that you need to go get. If you're putting it in drywall, then you just need a regular drill bit. If you're trying to put it through tile, then you'll have to get a specialty one, a carbide drill bit, and you put a little piece of tape over the tile before you drill through. It'll help you from breaking that tile or splintering it. But this is just drywall, and if you are lucky enough to want to hang your hook right where there is a stud, then all you need is your drill bit. You drill your holes, you put the screws in, you're done. Since I'm drilling into drywall, then you have to have something called a drywall anchor. Now these come with the little drywall anchors that you need. They look like this. And so you're gonna drill your hole first, then you're going to actually tap this into the wall, and then the screw that they provide goes right into it. And it does this awesome little thing where it expands once you put the screw in it and holds it into your wall. So let's get started. You'll need a drill, a 3/16 drill bit for this particular project. The back, I forget what they call this, flange. This is how you're gonna attach, this is what you're gonna attach to the wall. And then this particular set is kind of awesome because you have these two areas right here, and this particular one slides right up into it, and that's how it's held on the wall. I really like that design. It's a little bit easier than some of the other ones I've used in the past. Okay, so first, figure out where you want this to hang, where on your wall you want it to go. It's probably easiest if you kind of hold it where you think you want it, and center it on your wall, and then put your little flange up there. Take your pencil or pen and make a mark on both of those areas. Now this has got a little bit of room so that you can adjust it. Once you've got the screw up there, you can move it a little to either side to make it where you want it to be. So then you just take your drill with your 3/16 drill bit on it and make your holes. And you can tell that it's straight drywall because it just went right through. There's no resistance. Okay. Grab your drywall anchor right there, right in the hole, and whoopsie, tap it in. You want it to be flush. Okay. Now I'm switching off my drill bit for the screw extension so I can screw my bits in. Okay. And then take your flange. Now make sure that the part that's angled out so that it'll catch the back of your rope holder is what's out. And this will say, this says up on it. I don't know if you can see that, up. Okay. That's in place, then you just install your little robe hook. That look crooked? Let me see. No, it looks fine. Okay, hang up your rope and you're done. That took us what, less than 5 minutes? That's an easy thing to do that you can figure out how to do yourself. The exact same thing works with toilet paper holders, towel bars, any of that like pretty stuff that you want to hang in your bathroom. If you want to switch it up yourself, I mean, that's something that would be pretty inexpensive and make a big difference in how your bathroom looks, if that's just what you want to do for a little makeover. If you have questions, comment below. I'm Emily from fearlessdiy.com. Go out and try something new today.